Welcome to the Serengeti Simba Lodge here in the western Serengeti, actually just outside of the park. It's still located in the WMA area, which is still a wildlife managed area. It's just right outside the park. What does that mean? Not much. You're still going to be surrounded by wildlife. Coming up the drive, we still saw the giraffes and the zebras and many other varieties of wildlife. So you're still here in the wild, even though you're just outside of the park. What that means is usually a better value, a lower price when you choose to stay at Serengeti Simba. This is an amazing lodge and safari accommodation, as it has an amazing pool with a great view, and oftentimes the wildlife comes right up to you, right next to where the pool is. And there's two different kinds of rooms. There's a chalet and there's a stone house. And we'll show you on our tour a little bit of both of them. But we hope that you'll consider Serengeti Simba Lodge when you come on your safari to the Serengeti.